Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of an iPhone. This can come in handy a lot of times. For example, you may want to screenshot a text conversation so you can send it to a friend, or you can screenshot an interesting thing you were browsing in an app and you can refer to it later or send it to someone. If you have an iPhone with a home button on the lower part of your screen, you're going to click the home button and the power button on the right side at the same time, and presto, just like this. If you have a newer iPhone with a home button on the screen, you're going to click the volume up button and the power button on the right at the same time, like this. Once you get the screenshot, you can also select it before the preview disappears, and you can edit it if you want to. You can select any of these tools. In this case, we're going to select the marker and we're going to select another color. So here, select, for example, red. Then we just click the X button here. And you can make any annotations you want. Like so. And then we just click the done button here. Save to photos. And you're good. Now we're going to go into our photos. In my screen, it's right here, but if you can't find yours, just swipe down from the middle of your screen to activate the search bar, type in photos, like this, and then just click on the app of photos right here. Just click on the photo you took, the screenshot, and you're done. So I hope this helped, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get more helpful tips like this.